Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing, and once you've done that, please leave a like. Are you looking to expand your reach and drive more traffic to your Shopify store? Integrating TikTok with your Shopify account allows you to leverage TikTok's vast user base and promote your products effectively. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of connecting TikTok to your Shopify store on a PC. Let's get started. First, navigate over sales channels in your dashboard. Then go up and click the search bar and search TikTok. And then click Search for TikTok in the Shopify App Store. Doing so will redirect you to the Shopify App Store in another tab. Now at the Shopify App Store page, find TikTok and then click it. Make sure that the TikTok app you clicked is developed by TikTok. Then click Add App. After that, navigate to Add Sales Channel and click it. Now, if you have your own TikTok business account, click Connect. As you can see, I already have my account. Now go down and select Enhance, then scroll down a bit more, then hit Confirm. Our company information has already been set up. Click Finish Setup. As you can see, our ad account is currently under review. This normally takes up to 24 hours. While we wait for our account, scroll down and navigate Marketing Catalog. Click on Setup Now. If you don't have a TikTok Business Center, then what we need to do is go ahead and create. This will allow Shopify to create a TikTok Business Center to manage your business page and product catalog. Now select your location and then click Finish Setup. And now scroll down a bit and you can see the product status on TikTok. This can take up to 3 to 5 days. Congratulations! You have successfully connected TikTok to your Shopify store. Now you can track user behavior, optimize campaigns, and retarget potential customers using TikTok's advertising platform. Make the most of this integration to drive more traffic and boost your Shopify store's performance. Thank you for watching.